Hi, Nadeem here for Smart Riding. I want to talk about what is beyond CarPlay and beyond Android Auto on this latest generation of smart displays. It's no longer just about maps or just listening to music. It is way beyond that. Most of these units are capable of a lot more, and some are better than others, but others are catching up as well. There's things like bike data, RPM, speed, what gear you're in, all that stuff can be displayed on the smart display. Then there is dash cams, so you can have front and rear dash cams running, and they're recording as well. Then on top of that, you've got blind spot detectors, like the Chigee AIO-6 that's here just now. That's got an AI version of that built in, so it detects cars through the camera using AI, and then it will flash up on the screen that there's something coming up behind you. So there is so much more that these units can do, and I just wanted to go through some of the things and show you them on the Chigee AIO-6 and discuss where this is taking us. So first of all, here is the data view of the Chigee AIO-6. Now, it displays all the stuff that you would get from the bike itself, speed, etc., etc. And you can change this to this type of display. It'll give you rev counter, everything else, tire pressure monitors, ambient temperature, how your battery's doing, etc., what gear you're in. So there's a lot of stuff there, including angle sensors either side here as well, left and right. So you've got all this data from the bike. So that in itself is quite valuable, I think. As a rider, I've got it up here and it's more visible and it's all in one place. So this has also got front and rear dash cams which record as you're going along, and it's 1080 60 frames per second. So if you have any accidents or anything, it's recorded, and depending on what size of card you have, it will loop to whenever that card gets full. I think I've got a 128 gig card. I'm not sure how much that'll hold, but I think 6 or 7 hours is easily recorded in it with no problems for both front and rear. One of the other great features that the Chigee AIO-6 is integration with action cams. So if you've got a DJI cam like mine, or an Insta or GoPro, there are settings in there that you can pair it up. There's a video I've already done showing how to pair it in the playlist for the Chigee unit, so that's in the Chigee playlist. But this is already paired up, so if I just go in here, you can see this is the DJI setting here. You can power on and off. Power it back up. Now, I'm in the panoramic video mode, 8K 50. Now, if I want to change that over to images, I can change that to panel photo. And I can go through all the settings basically. So in this setting, I'm in the 360 setting. It's choice between image or video. And I can start and I can stop. Now what you can also do is start record and then go into your maps, etc., whatever you want to do, into CarPlay itself, and this is still recording. And if you want to go back, and then if you want to go back, you can do it, just go into the action camera control again, and it's still recording, it's still doing that, and I can stop the record. So you're not tied to this display while you're recording. You can still go back and do your other stuff. In any case, if you've got music playing or whatever, a podcast, it'll still come through your comms and stuff anyway. You won't need to worry about it. Now, one of the other things we should talk about is helmet comms and how they work with it. Now, if you've got a decent system, it will work in conjunction with the display and stuff. Now, in the GS units, if I just hold this button down, it will activate Siri. Now, on different comms units, they work differently. Some of them, this doesn't work, but in the AGS, it does. This is the X10 Plus, as I said. It's a really excellent unit. It's got the latest tech, and it works seamlessly with Siri and stuff. Now, if I just press and hold this button as I'm riding along, you'll see the screen there will change. Hey Siri, open Waze. And I can do that. So I can actually use voice commands on Siri with this as well. So this is what I'm meaning about the integration of all these different things as you're riding, and you've got all this stuff at your fingertips. Now, on top of that, the Chigee AIO-6 uses the Wonder Wheel on the BMWs. So if you've got a BMW, you're getting even more integration. So you can switch back and forth between these. You can open different apps from the Wonder Wheel. So I'm going along here at the moment, so if I select music, I can open music up, and I can start any playlist I want. And you can scroll through all the different menus on Apple Music or whatever music app you use, and then you can go back to, if I just click the wheel again, it'll open up the split view. And even from here, I usually keep it in this view when I'm riding, just because it means I can forward music, rewind it, whatever I want to do. And when there's Waze is running and there's an actual route running, this will display any turns that are coming up in this box here. So one of the other features is geofencing. That's also available for the bike through the Chigee Go app. So you can make sure the bike is within a certain location. If it moves, you'll get a notification, and you can activate the cameras and look at the bike, around the bike by activating the cameras no matter where you are. So that's also available. So this is what I keep saying, there are so many things that have been built into these systems, and it's only going to get more and more. We're not that far off where these systems will do a hell of a lot more. Companies such as Bosch are now looking at ARAS, which is Advanced Rider Assistance Systems. So things such as, cruise control or adaptive cruise control, collision warnings for front and rear, not just for the rear from like your blind spot monitors, but actively warning you that you're imminently going to crash if you don't do something. So there's a lot of things like that are coming, and they're also going to start being built into these kind of systems. Now, with the Chigee AIO-6, one of the other good things with the Chigee AIO-6 in terms of getting all the data you need, as well as having your CarPlay menus, is the Fusion mode that they have. Now, to activate that, you just go to the CarPlay menu, make sure you've got your Bluetooth switched off on your phone first, and then go into settings, and there's Fusion mode, just enable it. I'm going to go back in and switch the Bluetooth back on my phone and let it connect. And there we go. So we've now got Fusion mode, and we've got the CarPlay here, so you can even have the camera displaying, and you can have some of the data that you want. Now, I think you can change the data as well for this to whatever you want. So, and that's it. So you've got data from the bike, and you've got your CarPlay running. So you can have your maps open here or whatever, or have the split screen view here. It's a lot smaller, but it's still big enough to see while you're riding. You can choose whichever one is more important to you. You might just want to keep maps open on this, like this, as you're going along. If you've got music running or a podcast running, you'll still hear it through your comms. You don't need to have it on screen for that to work. So for me, these new systems are combining a lot more than just maps or just listen to music. It's given me dash cam recording, it's given me real-time information on the bike itself, and given me warnings if there's someone in my blind spot or there's someone that's coming up very close to me from behind. So all these things I think are very, very good rider aids. And as we progress in the next year or two, I think it's only going to get more and more and more. Some of the new bikes have already got this stuff incorporated, and there's more coming. And these systems will evolve as well. So even if you don't have a modern bike with all this stuff, you'll probably be able to add things in, such as with the Chigee AIO-6. So if you've any questions on any of the stuff I'm talking about, just please put in the comments and let me know what you think. Thanks.